Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. Okay, I am also fine. Okay, we are in the third lesson around the last session. Okay, the last subdivision, the division of profit among partners. So, the net profit they will get by preparing the profit and loss account, isn't it? Profit and loss account. So that net profit will be added along with the capital in the sole proprietorship, isn't it? But here we have studied many adjustments. What are the adjustments? Interest on capital, then interest on drawings, then salary, commission, okay, this should be adjusted from the net profit. Okay, the remaining profit will be shared among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, profit sharing ratio. But we have studied if the partnership deed is silent about the profit sharing ratio, then they have to share the profit equally. Okay, so with the net profit, they will prepare one account that is called profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so when we dividing the amount, that means the profit among partners, what is the journal entry? Okay, profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partners capital account or current account. Okay, that is the journal entry. Now we will see profit and loss account, appropriation account. It will be credited with, it is like a nominal account. Okay, it is resembling a nominal account, so we should credit the income. So net profit should be credited, and interest on drawings, okay, you underwrite by, okay, interest on drawings should be credited, okay, along with the net profit. Then what will be debited? Opposite, interest on capital, on partners capital. Okay, then to partners salary, then partners commission. Okay, after providing these expenses and receiving this income, the remaining amount will be shared among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So the net profit, that means in the profit from the profit and loss appropriation account will be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So to partners capital account. Okay, if we have to credit the partners capital account, if it is a loss this side, by partners capital account, this one for loss, this one for profit. That's all. Okay, very simple. We have to learn the illustration 21. Okay, there Arulappan and Nallasamy. Just I will show you. Okay, partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. 1st January 2018, their capitals 20,000, 10,000 respectively. The partnership did specify the following: interest on capital 5% per annum, interest on drawings 200, 300, net profit 18,000. Okay, before considering interest on capital, give necessary journal entries. Okay, then prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Assume that the capitals are fluctuating, so we have to use the word capital account. Okay, see the journal entries. First journal entry, We have learned already, isn't it? Interest on capital account debtor to partners capital. Then profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. To close the interest on capital. Then interest on drawings. Partners capital account debited. Interest on drawings credited. Then interest on drawings debited. Profit and loss appropriation account should be credited. Okay. Then we have to prepare this account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Hereby profit and loss account given 18,000. Then the first journal entry. Then here the third journal entry. Then we should find out the difference. Okay. Only the 1,500 minus 18,500, we will get 17,000. That will be shared among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Okay. 13,600. 4:1. Okay, then we will do exercise. (21). Okay. Anand and Narayanan are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. 1st January, their capitals given. Partnership deed specifies the following: interest on capital 6%, interest on drawings given, net profit given. Okay, necessary journal entries and prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Assume that the capitals are fluctuating. Same pattern only. Okay. So first we should write the number. Okay. Now journal entries. That's what they were asked. To amount column LF date. First, interest on capital is allowed. Okay. So what is the journal entry? Interest on capital is an expense. Capital account debtor to partners capital. Anand's capital. To Narayanan's capital. Interest on capital provided. Interest on capital we have to calculate. Okay. 6% on 50,000. 5, 6, 30. Then 20, 3,000. Narayanan 30,000. Okay, 3 into 6, 18. So 18. So totally 4,800. Okay, then this should be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. You write fully. Okay. Debtor to this interest on capital should be credited. Interest on capital closed or transferred. Okay, 4,800. For next one, for interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. It is an income for the business, but it is a loss for the partners. So, partners' capital account should be debited. Anand's capital account, debtor. Narayan's capital account, debtor. To interest on drawings account. Interest on drawings charged. So how much? 1800. So totally 1800. Okay, this should be closed. So interest on drawing should be debited. And profit and loss appropriation account should be credited because it is an income. Interest on drawings closed or transferred. 1800. Now we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, one entry we have to write. Please use 2 pages. Okay. Here I cannot show you, that's why I am preparing within a page. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account by net profit. How much given? 35,000. Then 2, interest on capital. Interest on profit and loss appropriation account, second entry. Okay, to interest on capital, 4,800. Here this entry. Okay, fourth entry. Profit and loss appropriation account credited. So by interest on drawings, 1,800. Now we will calculate the profit. Okay, 36,800. To Anand's capital account. To Narayanan's capital account. Okay. How much? 32,000, isn't it? So 32,000 into which ratio? 5:3. So 5 by 8. 1848. 4 into 5, 20. 20,000. 20,000. Another person 3. 3 fours are 12. Now you add, you will get. Okay. Now we have to write the journal entry. Okay. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor. To Anand's capital account. To Narayanan's capital account. Profit transferred to partner's capital account. Okay, 20,000. Here 32,000. 20,000, 12,000. That's all. Okay. the remaining two problems we will complete in the next class, and we will complete the lesson. Okay students, thank you very much.